which is called custom Google Maps markers. You must now there is an update with FlutterFlow and Google dependencies, where you must in your page, while where you are showing the custom markers, you must create a empty or a row which includes all of the images that you are using in this one. Then make this one hidden, just for FlutterFlow to import those icons, and as well for the Google Maps native from FlutterFlow itself. So to make it, just open and write Google Maps, this one. You must even put it on the page where you are using the custom widget. I make some modifications if you are not using, because they make it now. You must enter those information, those data, those colors, and you must specify the zoom level and minimum and maximum zoom. Now I updated the code so that it will capture if the data is null. It will add some default values. Thank you.